Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from Wonksknow Technologies. Wonksknow Technologies is hiring 2024, 23, 22, 21 and 2020 password batch candidates for Python developer role. For this, any bachelor's degree candidates can apply. All branches candidates are eligible. There is no percentage criteria. Salary will be from 8 LPA to 10 LPA. It depends upon your performance in the interview. Job location will be work from home, right? Yeah, you heard it right. Job location will be work from home, permanent work from home, right? Yeah, so in this video I will discuss what are the required skills, how to apply, everything I'll discuss in this video. So please watch full video. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our Code with Anurag YouTube channel, so please do subscribe, because here you will get daily latest job opportunities with placement preparation. And this is our other YouTube channel, Job Dates for You, where you will get daily latest job opportunities with placement preparation in Hindi. So please support this channel as well. Now let's start. Once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this website. Here you can see this is the naukri.com. Here you can find all the details regarding this job, right? Remote is the job location and company is located in the Bangalore, but job location will be remote. Remote means work from home, right? So yeah, you can see all the details. You can see this is a work from home position which requires a strong Wi-Fi connection with power backup, right? So yeah, you should have a strong Wi-Fi connection, right? That is important. And yeah, you should be flexible for night shift if required, right? So yeah, good knowledge of various programming languages, right? So you can see all the details, job description. So you can see all the details, just you can see. So once you will scroll here, and yeah, they will prefer to BTech and BE candidates, right? Yeah, so how to apply, that is very easy. Simply you need to click here, apply. Here you need to click here, apply. Once you click here, apply, then you are done, right? After that, if they shortlist your resume, then they will send you the other details, or they will communicate with email, via email. So regularly keep checking your email after applying, right? Yeah, so please apply. This is a really huge opportunity for all of you. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video. Also, you can join our WhatsApp channel. Please join our WhatsApp channel, right? Yeah, thank you for watching this video.